JDCap 26 here. Just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got a professional multi-tool here. And the blade on it is not too sharp. I'll show you that. And it just ragged cuts through the paper. So, it's got an edge on it, pretty good edge on it first. So you want to go not to the coarse side, but to the fine side, and we'll give it about 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's see how it does now. Yep, still kind of a ragged cut. Try it here. Well, that's better. It's a little bit better. Kind of ripping it though. Still kind of ripping it, so let's try 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's much better. On the average, I think these sharpeners, could go up to 40 strokes to get a better sharpening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You always go one way. So that's 40. There, cut it there pretty good. This one needs a lot of sharpening, so I don't use a regular stone. There we go. There we go. So this is the priority shaft. You can get other configurations of this. If you got a really bad damaged blade, you want to run it through the rough side over here and get it sharp, prepared in this side, and then go to the fine side. But since it already had an edge on it, I went to the fine side, so it may take longer to do that. It's a pretty good tool. I like this tool. It wasn't expensive. And, I want to show you. If a blade is sharp, you put it on your nail, like this, and if it resists, it's sharp. When you go this way, it's not moving. If it slides, it's not sharp. So that's what I want to show you, that little trick. And this is the tool. I'll show it to you really quick. It's got little pliers on it, and it's got a cutter, really good cutter on it to cut wire, things like that. Spring loaded. So that's how you sharpen, you guys, and I hope you're having a good day today. Please rate and subscribe and ring the notification bell. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.